from the providers Loyoda. It is a swivel shower chair with arms and backs that are separately removable. Check online for further details about the chairs. They also make chairs that will slide into the bathtub for easy access. This is a shower chair, not just a shower chair, but a shower chair for all ages. And what we're going to do is show you what this product is about and how nicely they are packed inside. As we open up the box to show you that it's protected by foam on top, individually wrapped and cardboard protected as well. Our test unit of all the parts. This is called the FBL 650424 model. It comes easy to assemble in simple steps. This is the manual. It tells you how to assemble and all the parts. There are no screws to put on. It is your swivel chair, all laid out. It comes in a grayish color, an off-white, and they are aluminum metal poles with nylon and press pins. It has a plastic backing with a design, and it has the seat made of metal, a release tab, and the base. So what we're going to do is now install our chair. We have caps that need to be removed. Simply grab the end caps and lift off. Once all the end caps are simply removed, place to the side. Do not throw away. With each of the footrests, they are large, little circle with a hole to grip the floor, with a release clip of 6 holes for your height. We're going to rotate to the side and slide all the way up to the last hole and adjust and snap in, and repeat for the other 3. As you pull out, they will separate all together, and they're easy to place back in by matching up, pushing in the pin, and locking in. On the top, we have a clip that goes into each of the areas and the hole. They simply align up, press in, and snap into place. Repeat for the other 3. As you place in, hold the base, push, and gently rotate till they snap in. Remember, the bottom base feet, they will come out, and they have a reinforced solid washer, and they lock in strongly, and they will rotate to your floor on an angle. Once all secured, I am going to lift up, rotate, and place on the table. I'm going to adjust my feet and level. 2 ways to put the back seat on to the holes. We take the right angles. We want to make sure that the long bar faces to the back and the short clip goes in this way. Place in. Do not force in until you press the clip, and gently rotate on till it snaps. Repeat for the opposite one. With the back, you have a hole on each side. They are with Phillips screws at the back if ever need to take off and clean. They have a little indentation so you can grab. Place on, over, to the top, both in, and gently push down till they equal, and press in each of the clip and gently lock into place. This is a removable back seat with the buttons in here. You simply press and you can remove the back like so. So what we're going to do is place it back in. It takes a couple of seconds. And they snap into place. As I rotate to show you the left arm and then the right arm, reinforced with rubber grip with the left arm. A rubber grip, metal, the two clips matching the hole. The arm goes in and you press in the clip till they snap in. A close-up shot of pressing it in. This is a portable seat. It could be placed anywhere imaginable, taken with you on vacation and more. A little tap and they go in. This is a release tab, so you're able to swing. There is a notch that locks into place to stop the swinging. There are notches in 4 areas. The chair is built for showers and more, for outdoor by the pool, in the bathroom, and so forth. Pulling the mechanism locks into place, and you're able to rotate all the way around. If you hold the mechanism, you're able to spin, let go, and lock. Reinforced arms with no padding on the seat or the back. The grip handle, easy to lift, moderate weight, in a off-white grayish color with brown, your shower chair. Giving some measurements with the tallest legs raised, 34 inches. Inside to inside measures 19 6/8 about. From the base to the top measures about 14 inches. And measuring from the floor to the base at the highest, 21 inches. The chair seat measures 15.5, 16 inches by 13 inches, and going all the way to the back, 15.5 inches, and going to the back seat about 15 inches. Lowering down the chair to the minimum height of the 6 buttons, measuring from the foot to the top measures roughly 15.5 inches. At the lowest height, 16 inches to the base, 29 to the back. And if wanting to remove the arm, simply press in the 2 buttons and grab the bars and pull off. So easy to get in. You don't have to slide around like so. There is a mechanism off the wall and you're able to spin, lock into place, get up, and get out. You also have the back that is removable, so you can have a flat seat and no backing. Simply remove all the bars, just for a stool, and swivel and lock into place for easy in and out. I hope you enjoy your stool, your back seat, your side arms, your shower chair, a number of chairs, a 3-in-1 chair. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.